So Bitcoin, guys, just hit the $85,000, which is the target of our massive bull flag. Now, if you are following me on this channel, I have been predicting this since when Bitcoin was at $50,000. I have been posting about this massive bull flag. I have been warning you about the $85,000 target. Right now, we have seen Bitcoin hit that level, just like a knife cutting through that butter. So right now, we'll talk about Bitcoin. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, click that notification bell. So Bitcoin right now is on that resistance level, and I'm going to explain to you the possible price targets in the coming days and what to expect on Bitcoin and in some of the altcoins. Now, if you are following me on my Twitter account, you know that I have tweeted about the 85,000 or the 80,000 target, guys. So I have tweeted this. Bitcoin 80K is just around the corner, and indeed we have hit 80,000 just like a knife hitting through that butter. So I have also tweeted, guys, if you have missed my previous video about that massive bull flag, guys, if we are going to zoom out, it looks like Bitcoin on the daily time frame is forming a massive bull flag with a target of 85,000 up to $87,600 for Bitcoin. If you were able to get into the trade, congratulations. And by the way, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that. So congratulations to those who were able to get into this massive trade, guys. If you are in our VIP, I have shared this analysis about Bitcoin. I have shared long positions from 50 up to the $85,000. So right now I'm still holding my long positions, guys. I have mentioned it on my videos daily. I have been talking about Bitcoin is so bullish and could hit the $85,000. Subscribe to the channel, and of course, so also MicroStrategy have acquired an additional Bitcoin, guys. So that's one of the reasons why Bitcoin keeps on pumping. Plus all of the ETF, we have massive inflows coming from Bitcoin ETF. So MicroStrategy actually acquired additional Bitcoin, and this proves that DCA actually works if you are into this game for long term. So MicroStrategy has acquired 27,200 BTC for $2.3 billion at an average price of 74,463 per Bitcoin. So look at that. Michael Saylor is still buying Bitcoin, guys, at the peak. And if you are going, if you want to track the Michael Saylor DCA position entry, you can check it out at saylortracker.com. You can actually see that Michael Saylor has been buying Bitcoin from $10,000. He has been buying Bitcoin at $60,000 down to $37,000 up to the peak of 2021, guys. He is buying Bitcoin at an average price of $60,000, and also here in the bear market, he has accumulated Bitcoin at 30,000. Average price of 30,600 per Bitcoin. He has bought Bitcoin at an average price of 30,300, and the latest was at 74,463 per Bitcoin. So DCA actually work if you are here for long term. Now, I think Bitcoin is actually due for a correction because of the holiday, which is coming in the US. So Thanksgiving is coming, and based on my previous experience and based on the previous price action last year, every Thanksgiving there's always a correction, guys. And I have tweeted today about the S&P 500. So this is also one of the reasons why we are actually due for a correction. Now I'm gonna talk about this very quickly. When the price of S&P 500 overextends approximately around 12% from the 200 exponential moving average, usually it is followed by a correction, guys. So this one right here, last March or April 2024, S&P 500 has overextended by 12% from the 200 exponential moving average, and we have seen that correction. Price dropped back near to the 200 exponential moving average, and last July 2024, the price overextend by almost 12.16%, and we have seen that pull back down to the 200 exponential moving average. And right now, S&P 500 is almost on that same overextension level, 11.51. So I think this could go up a little bit, up to 12%, or maybe 12.15, 12.5%. But this is, in my opinion, due for a correction, probably back to the 200 exponential moving average, which will give us 5,420. So also, if you're going to look at the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro, one of the best paid indicator in the market, guys. That's in my own experience. So if you want to take advantage of Chart Prime, you can get up to 50% discount if you're going to use my referral link in the description down below. So right now, Chart Prime Oscillator Pro is in the overbought area. So as what you can see, based on the previous history here, when the price reached this level, the oscillator was in the overbought area. Plus, we have seen that bearish divergence right there. So massive correction down to the oversold area. Another one right here when the price hit that or overextend up to 12%, or from on that level of 5,654, the oscillator was also in the oversold or overbought region. And right now, look at that correction down to the oversold area. So right now the oscillator is approaching. So there's a small percentage. Maybe we'll see that pump a little bit up to 12% to 12.5% before we can see that correction, probably this week or the coming weeks. So that will be my forecast for S&P 500. And S&P 500 usually affects the crypto market, guys. So going back to Bitcoin right now, let me delete this one first. So Bitcoin right now is already on that, has hit the target of $85,000. This can still extend up to $88,000, guys. So if we are going to measure this bull flag from this swing low level 38,400 up to this local top, which is around 73,500, we're going to drag this. We're going to drag this pole up here, and that will give us the $88,000 for Bitcoin. Now, if we're going to measure the Fibonacci extension level, let's use this swing high up to the local top down to the swing low here, we'll be able to get 1, or the Fibonacci 1 level, which will serve as a target, and of course a resistance for Bitcoin. So we have a zone resistance here, guys. This is going to be a zone resistance for Bitcoin. So that will be around $85,000 up to $88,000. Now, this is going to be interesting, because if Bitcoin is going to break through that zone resistance and flip it into a support, this is massive, guys. Bitcoin could actually reach $106,400 if Bitcoin will be able to flip the $88,000 into a support. So in my opinion, I think Bitcoin is due for a correction. So it is good to take some profit at the current level. Again, all charts and TA for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. As what you can see, I'm still holding majority of my long positions here. I've already closed my polka dot position, guys. So where is that? I think it's here. So I have taken partial profit in majority of my trades, plus I have closed my polka dot position. So I'm still holding small positions here, guys. So for XRP, AVAX, BNB, Rune, I'm still holding small positions on that trade. Probably I'm gonna take 25% more on my Rune position here, and also let's take 25% for AVAX as well, and for XRP probably also 25%. We have also Ethereum, guys. Probably let's take as well 25% on Ethereum, and for BTC probably we'll do 25% as well. So just taking profit along the way, that is how you can secure profits along the way, by taking partial profits just in case the market drop, or if the market drop to that level. Now let's try to get what will be the target just in case if Bitcoin sees a correction. So from this swing low up to the swing high. So Bitcoin could actually, this will be the targets, guys. Let me delete this previous one and let me just try to fix this. So let's remove the background and let's change the colors of 38.2 to yellow, 61.8. and the 0.5. So we'll change it to yellow. So these yellow lines right here are going to be the target for retracement, guys. So 38.2 back to 74,000, 0.5 back to $70,000, and key support level for this bull run is now on this previous resistance trend line in confluence with the Fibonacci 61.8 golden ratio, which is the $66,000 for Bitcoin. So that is going to be the buy zone just in case we get that chance to reaccumulate. So I don't know if we're going to get that chance, but if you are following me on this channel, I have mentioned my previous buy zones for altcoins, for Bitcoin, and of course, if you're into Discord, we have long-term portfolio buy zones there. And by the way, before this video, if you want to trade with me in Bitunix, guys, there's an event still ongoing from November 4 up to November 27. You can get a trade bonus, guys, deposit and trade bonus up to 1,000 USDT. So if you want to take advantage of this, be sure to register and use my referral link in the description down below. And of course, that is one way you can support the channel, guys. So that's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.